Oh my god, is that best girl of the season, Marin? Holy! Booba!
Okay, you want me like the other boys do. They stare at me while I stare at you.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Or well, shit. As by the title and the fucking thumbnail shows, motherfucker, we gonna be building a keyboard today. Yes, sir. I'm building a keyboard. Oh god, oh god. So, I'm not doing no tutorial on how to fucking build a keyboard, lube that shit, none of that. If you want that, look it up on YouTube. But today's build, we're gonna be building with the TM680. It was like $20 something, 30 something. I forgot. I'm not gonna lie. Right here we got the keycap puller / switch puller, instructions manual. Who gives a fuck? And then in this box we got cable and shit. Right here. Plug in your keyboard. And then we got the main board itself, right here, with no switches in, obviously. And then we got this right here at the board, 5-pin hot swap, north-facing LEDs. And then right here we got the up and down dial knob with the pause and play. So yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking out my stabilizers because we're gonna lube them later. But yeah, so take out all the stabilizers one by one, and then just put them on the side for later. So now I'm gonna be taking apart the case right here. I'm gonna unscrew the case and shit like that, and then I'm gonna take it apart. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting some foam into the bottom of the case so that when I type in shit, it doesn't sound so hollow and stuff like that. So this is Crytox 205G0, and what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna be taking apart my stabilizers and shit. And then what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna get my little paintbrush here, and I'm gonna just get some lube, and then just paint it all over the stabilizers and stuff. So then when you use them, it doesn't feel so bad, and it feels more clean. And with the lube there, it's just there, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Just lubing up the stems and shit, and then lubing up the wire thingy majiggy, whatever the fuck it's called, and then yeah, just put them back together just like that. And yeah, basically repeat the steps with all the stabilizers, and then once done, just put them back in just like that. Easy as that. But anyways, though, we're gonna put that aside and moving on to the next and most time-consuming part, the switches. So right here we got the Gateron Milky yellows, which they're pretty cheap, you know what I'm saying? See, I had to cheap out, which, don't get me wrong, Milky yellows are really good, but you know what I'm saying, crypto market went down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Hey, listen though, guys, remember, buy high, sell low, you know what I'm saying? But anyways though, now we're gonna take apart the switch and get your paintbrush, dip that shit in the lube and start lubing your switch, you know what I'm saying? Now, I'm not going to tell you how the fuck to lube your switch, you know what I'm saying? This isn't no tutorial on how the fuck to lube a keyboard, this and that, you know what I'm saying? If you're looking for that, don't watch this video, you know what I'm saying? I'm just here showing y'all the process of what I did to, make my keyboard. But anyways, right here, you know what I'm saying? I finished my little thingy majiggy. Okay. But yeah. Anyways, that took a while. So, 3 days later, now we're here. But now that's 3 days later, though. Switch is fully lubed. Okay, well, not all, actually. As you guys can see on the board, there's already 7 switches in there, so I actually ran out of lube. I couldn't lube them, but anyways, now with all my lubed switches that I had enough to lube with, yeah, kind of just easy like that. Get your switches, make sure they face in the right direction, and just you put that shit in, bro. You just, you know what I'm saying? You push that shit in, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyways. You do all this and that. Make sure you don't bend your fucking pins and shit. And 30 minutes later, your fucking keyboard's gonna be full of switches and shit. So, last but not least, we have the keycaps. You know what I'm saying? You can't type. Okay, well, you can type without keycaps, but if you're typing without keycaps, what the fuck are you doing? But anyways, these are white and black, English and Japanese on them. They are sub PBT keycaps, and they are also XDA profile, which if you don't know the difference between XDA, cherry, this and that, ABS, I mean shit, I didn't know as well. If you're really curious, look it up on the internet and shit. But yeah, putting in these keycaps one by one and shit. And so I was online one day, and I saw someone selling these huge keycaps. They were $3 for 4 of them, and I was like, oh my god, it's really cute, because if anything, I myself, you know, I'm a huge talent enthusiast, bro. If you go on my Twitch, you know, I say myself, I'm a huge talent enthusiast, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, since there was 4 of these, I was like, oh shit, well fuck, man, where should I put it? And I thought about it. I was gonna do WSND, but I feel like it'd feel weird because everything else is XDA profile and these weren't XDA. So I was like, oh shit, arrow keys, you know, 4 arrow keys, you know what I'm saying? So I put it in there. But yeah. And then I also have these Sakura Cherry Blossom things from another keycap set, you know. If you don't play Genshin, Hutao basically uses some type of fucking cherry blossom shit. So I was like, okay, shit, I'm gonna put it in. But yeah. Anyways, last but not least of the build, you know, you put in the space bar and boom. You know what I'm saying? The build is done. Like, look at that keyboard, bro. That shit looks on some Gordon Ramsay Master Chef, fucking chef's kiss. Oh my god, look at this. Anyways, I'm gonna just showcase it off real quick. You know, play a quick little montage for y'all. But yeah. And then we're going to the sound test and shit.
Weezy out here. Weezy out here.
Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video and shit. I'm tired as fuck and all that shit. So, yeah, I'm about to hurry up, wrap this up and shit. But yeah, that's my keyboard and shit. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool and shit. Future keyboard video. I mean, who knows and shit. But fuck, man. Right now I'm just trying to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Hug my body, pull like Marin over here. But anyways, though, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It may be inspiring you to build a custom keyboard or whatnot. Anyways, though, guys, that's all I gotta say and shit. Make sure to come over to my Twitch, twitch.tv /Sriracha. Okay, I don't know. Link in the description somewhere in there. Anyways, though, y'all, I hope y'all have a good day and shit. And I'll see you later. Bye.
Whoa, whoa, breaking this one and I'm getting